What up, dope? It's your boy ScalpGawd. Getting some good volume coming in here before the pre-market for US session. So we actually have a nice setup here. Uh, Price actually left our zone, and we got a good setup here. So we're gonna. Oh yeah, we just got tapped in. It's amazing. So let's make some money today. This is a NQ right here. So I really like this. Looking for longs or buys. So let me just adjust my I'll take profits here, and then I'll explain what we're looking at. All right, cool. So we too deep on NQ right now. So price actually left our 5-minute reversal zone right here, and it's going up into this hour. This is a top zone, so you can see here previously before we got some resistance along the way during London. And actually what I do see here is something, this area right here, and hopefully this area. So it looks like we can have a power of 3 play that could happen. Accumulation. Why they do that? Manipulation. Hopefully this can be a distribution right here, but I really like it. Distribution. Here we go. So that's actually what I'm seeing here right here. We got some accumulation during Asia and London, some manipulation going on, then a strong move up back through our zone, crossing over this 50 right here, and actually just made a big push past VWAP. So I'm liking what I see, and yeah, so we're just gonna let this play out. Now this is before US pre-market, but the good thing about NQ is it's pretty, so to say, it's pretty characteristic. If you watch NQ on a regular basis, you kind of know what it's trying to do, and usually if you look at NQ for a long period of time, you'll notice some patterns that happen. One of the patterns that I noticed is that usually between 6 and 7 a.m. Eastern Standard, market likes to do what I like to call a continuation. So it will continue in that direction until like 8:30, or if there's any like big news or whatever. So that's what I'm hoping for here, and we're just gonna sit back and let this play out. All right, so we're pretty close. There we go. So we just hit our looks like the open just brought us up to our TP1. So now what I like to do is just move my stop up to break even for the second contract. So 2 to 1 usually we'll go. We like to tell you to take off like 80% of your position, something like that, and just keep a runner in, so this runner right here would be 5 to 1, which is a nice trade. We got a very bullish momentum going on right now, so if you like, you can also move it up to 1 to 1 just to give you some profits, but at the end of the day, it's risk-free. So we're just gonna let this ride up and see what happens, because we're risk-free at this point, all pretty much before the market open. Nice. Hit our 2 to 1 and hit our 5 to 1. This is a great trade. We actually did this trade in our call out group. You can check that out below. We'll leave some details down in the description. And yeah, it's a great trade. So now at this point, we're going to journal. I'm going to leave a link down to the description if you want to do some journal that has some automation to it, so you don't have to sit there and write it out or put it in a Excel sheet. It'll do it for you automatically. And it's a great trade. Took a little time, not too much time, maybe a couple hours out your day, whatnot. Hit for over close to 5,000, even with our runner. So overall, great trade, and see you in the next video.